Good morning everyone. Myself Balka. I am biology teacher in Cambridge Global School. So let us continue with the experiments done by different scientists on the raw material required for photosynthesis in nutrition lesson 1 biology. So nutrition, photosynthesis and the raw material. So the raw material required for the photosynthesis are water, carbon dioxide and sunlight. So these are the three materials required for the photosynthesis we discussed before. So water and photosynthesis. The first experiment about the water was conducted by the von Helmont experiment. So the scientist von Helmont conducted experiments on willow tree. So willow tree he took and he did experiments for 5 years and he concluded that soil, the weight of the plant is growing only because of water, not because of the soil. In earlier, the people used to believe that plant used to grow only because of the soil present. But later, von Helmont confirmed that water is the main source required for the plant growth. So next is the air is required for the photosynthesis. Priestley experiment concluded that carbon dioxide is the gas which is required for the photosynthesis. So Priestley done some set of experiments in that he took one bell jar and kept one candle and mouse without any another thing. So for the air. So here the plant was died and the candle was light off. So then he took the set of along with the small plant. So after some time, so he observed all the things like rat and the candle was existing like that and the tree also was like that only. So he concluded that some material is being exchanged between these things. So some gases have been exchanged between these organisms like plants and animals. So some gas which is useful for animals is present inside it and the gas which is required for plants also present inside it. So some exchange of gases was observed here. So gases exchange in plants. How the plants will exchange the gases? So it is exchanged in the part of stomata in the leaf. Inside the leaf we have some tiny pores called stomata and in the stem part we have the lenticels. So which part is used for the air is used for the photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide is the gas which is used for the photosynthesis and it is giving the oxygen out. So one molecule of oxygen is given out. So in order to check whether carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis, one experiment has been done by the scientist Moll's half-leaf experiment. So in this experiment we will take a potted plant. So we have to keep this plant for 1 week in a dark room so that the starch present in it will be removed and we have to keep we have to take a wide-mouthed bottle along with some solution or some pellets of potassium hydroxide. So we have to select one leaf and insert the leaf into the cork which has this slight slit so as to insert the leaf and it is having some potassium hydroxide pellets or solution inside it. So what is the use of this potassium pellets? Means it will consume all the carbon dioxide present inside the bottle and it will not allow any carbon dioxide to get in to do photosynthesis. So we will go for starch test. After some time, so we will pluck off the leaf and we will test for iodine test. So when you take the iodine test, the part which is exposed to sunlight and carbon dioxide will turn into bluish black color, but the part which is present inside the bottle will not change, will not have any color change. So this will confirm that sunlight and carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis.